Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Colera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside D.R. Horton Magnolia Crest community. This is located in North Las Vegas. This is a gated community which has HOA of $56. They are offering 3 different floor plans, which is the 1350, 1450, and the 1550. And the starting price is $361,990 up to $382,990. Today I'm going to tour one of the model homes, the 1550. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and it's priced at $382,990. And I'm gonna show you guys what the house looks like. So welcome to the plan 1550. Right by the door, you will see the video doorbell and the smart keyless entry padlock. Right here, as soon as you get in, you will see the staircase leading to the second floor. And now, on the right side, you will see the powder room with the pedestal sink and your toilet bowl. Right here is your open layout area. This is the living room. Again, with this home, pretty much everything that you see is included. The only thing that's not is the furnitures, the curtains, and the accent wall, but the window coverings like the blinds are included, and also all the appliances that you see here, refrigerator, the gas stove, the microwave, as well as the dishwasher is included in this house. I love this quartz island. And also they extended the island to a breakfast bar. You can add a stool here. I guess you can add 4 stools. This is perfect when you serve meals, especially if you have kids. It's very convenient. I love the color of the cabinets. The green accent wall, this is not included. Normally, the walls is painted white. I love that they added the windows here. Maybe it's so bright. Now let's go check your backyard. I know this is already landscape, but normally when you get your home, it comes with a dirt lot. Very spacious over here. You can add a barbecue grill, a sitting area to get some fresh air, relax at the end of the day after work. Let's go back inside and check the rest of the house. Let's go what's in this one. This is your pantry. Let's go check here. This is a storage that lies underneath the stairs. They also added one resist slide, and your smart paneling is also in this storage area. I think this is the door leading to your 2-car garage, but this is locked. Again, the open layout area is very spacious, very inviting and so bright during the daytime. Now let's go head upstairs and check the rest of the house. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs, and your laundry area is here too. So right here is your laundry room. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. Right this side is your primary bedroom. This is pretty spacious. The green accent wall, like what I said, is not included. Normally it's a white paint. Right this side is your walk-in closet. Pretty spacious. Love this open window. You will see the park from here. This side is your primary bathroom. 1 single vanity and your walk-in shower. Love the flooring. Let's go check all the secondary bedroom on this side. First bedroom over here. I think the full bed fits in this room. Standard closet. And they added 1 recess light. It's another bedroom over here. Standard closet. And then 1 window. I love this mirror. And this is your secondary bathroom. This is shared for all the other bedroom. Right here is your shower and tub combo. It's another bedroom over here with a standard closet. And they also installed 1 recess light. Again, there's plenty of space in the second floor. 3 bedroom and a primary bedroom. And this is priced at $382,990. There's $56 HOA in this community. This is gated. There is a park that you can enjoy. And also all the appliances and the blinds are included when you purchase this house. If you are interested to purchase one of this home, again, my name is Agnes Polera, or you can call me or text me at 310-848-5693. It's important that you bring a realtor or real estate agent during your first visit, because they will negotiate with you and get the most incentives that you can get when you purchase the house. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and thank you for watching my video.